Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you real quick how to access and make changes to your posting, your rating system that's on your website. As you can see, this is the rating system. You have the option, or your viewers have the option to rate your posts on a 1 through 5 star rating. This rating option will pop up on your main page, as you can see, where you have your the previews of all your posts, and it will also pop up on each individual post. You can also set up to pop up on each individual page also, but I don't think you have pages on this site, so it'll pop up on each individual post also, so your users can vote, or rate each individual post here in two different sections. You also it also will add a voting thumbs up and thumbs down option for your comment section, which is another cool feature of this add-on. It automatically adds that. So once this is set up, it's already set up on your site, but you'll notice that when you go to your comments now, you'll see your users have the option to like a comment or dislike a comment. So I'll just like this comment here real quick so you can see it updates automatically. It's a real cool plugin, a real cool add-on. So I'll show you real quick how to access it. If you want to change it around, change the look of it, I'll show you how to access it real quick. So all you're going to do is you log into your account, and now when you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see a ratings option. You'll click on that, and from there it'll take you into all the different options available for your ratings add-on. So you have all the different options here. It's all pretty much self-explanatory, but I'll just run through it with you real quick. Number one, if you want to disable it, you just click this enable for blog posts. You uncheck that. That'll disable it on all your blogs, on all your posts automatically. From there, you can locate where you want to show the ratings. Like right now, it's located at the bottom left corner of your post. You can put at the top left, top center, top right, bottom right. As you can see, it's pretty much self-explanatory there. You just check off where you want to put it. Next, you can change the language if you want for whatever reason. It's a bunch of different language options. I don't know if you would want to change the language. Probably not. Then you can change the look of it from stars to thumbs if you want. You can see here's how the thumbs would look. You can just give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. You can make it arrows. You can make it a couple of different options. You're probably going to want to leave it at the stars though. So once you have the stars selected, then you have the different theme options that you can switch around. You can have red stars, dark glass red stars, quartz red stars, Christmas red stars, and you have those options for green, blue, and all these different colors. You can also make it into check marks or hearts or whatever you want to mess around with. You can look through here if you want to change some things or just leave it as it is. That's up to you. Then you can change the size from small, medium to large. You can set it up so it's read only so people can access it or not. And you can go to the advanced options and change the font type, if you want to make it italicized, bolded out, all those different options there. You can also, if you want to change the what each star indicates, you can do that here. So you would say awful, pure, poor, average. You just change that here if you wanted to say something else. I'm not going to change anything. So that would just correspond to, just so you know, as you can see here, you got awful, poor, average, good, excellent. So if you want to change that to something else that's a little more suitable to what your website is, if you want to change it from awful to like whatever, crappy, or whatever you want to change it to, that's how you do it in there. And then you can change the number of stars. You can go anywhere between 1 to 20 stars if you want. So that, again, it's all pretty much self-explanatory. All that stuff there is under the advanced settings right here. You want to click on the advanced settings to access all those additional options there if you want to mess around with those. And then everything else here is if you want to disable it for the unlogged in users. So you would set it up so only people that were logged into your site could access that. And that's pretty much all the options you have. There's a lot of different customizing options you have. I just wanted to go through with you and show you how to access it. Once you make all your changes, obviously you're going to click on the Save Change button, and all the changes will be effective automatically on your site. So that's pretty much the gist of the ratings add-on you have on your site. Again, if you have any questions or anything, just hit us up on the ticket system. All right. Okay, guys. One last option I forgot to make you aware of on your for your ratings add-on is you have the option to add a widget to your sidebar that'll show the top rated posts on your website. I'm going to show you real quick how to add that. Right now, it's on your site right now just so you can see it. I'm going to take it right back off, but this is how you add it. You log into your website's dashboard. You go down to where you see appearance. Scroll down right there in appearance. Scroll over to widgets. Click on that. Then you're going to just find the widget that says rating widget, top rated. Click that and drag it over here. I already have it on your site, but I'll take it off so you can put it back if you want. And from there, you're going to just change the title. I'll just put top rated posts. Put whatever title you want up there. You're going to go down. It's going to say if you want to show your post in this section, your pages in this section, or your comments in this section. You don't really have any pages that you want to rate on your particular site, so uncheck the show for pages. If you want to leave it for show for comments, that's up to you. If you want, but you want to definitely leave it for show for post, because that's the main thing you're going to be rating. From there, you can display. You can select how many top rated posts you want to display. I'm going to select 5. 5 is a good number, so you show the top 5 posts, the top 5 rated posts. You leave it set to average rate, and then you can, for the minimum number of votes, just leave that set to 1. And then you can scroll down here if you want to remove the comments. This section is going to show you the top rated comments. Where if you remember, you can do a thumbs up or a thumbs down on a comment. This will show you the top rated comments. So if you want to leave that, I'll set that to maybe the top 3 comments. If you don't want that, you can just unselect it, click show, unselect show for comments, and then that's it. Pretty much just save that. Go back to your website, and it's already there right now. You'll see it's down here. So there you have it, the top rated posts. You don't have very many rates. You haven't rated any posts on your site yet, really, other than that one. So it's not going to show anything. There's no way to compare it because there's only one post that's been rated at this particular time. But once you start adding, a lot more rates and a lot more votes on these add-ons, this list will go down. It'll be 5 at the most because that's what it's set to. So that's just another quick option that you can add. I'm going to remove it because, again, it's up to you if you want to put it there or not, but it's something if you want to add it to something for your viewers to see. Let me just make sure it's gone. And it should be gone now. Yeah, there you go, it's gone. So there you go. If you want to add that, you can add that. It's just another option for your viewers if you want to put it on there, add it to your widget bar. All right.